Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the General Penitentiary or GP in Jamaica, down by the correct name is Tower Street Correctional Facility. They call it General Penitentiary or GP in Jamaica. Now this is, if it's not the oldest, it's the second oldest prison in Jamaica. It was built hundreds of years ago, and so it now has some serious infrastructure problems because the prison is so old. And also the prison is located in downtown Kingston across from the waterfront. So I want to ask you guys a question. Do you think it's time that they relocate this prison, build a new prison somewhere else in Jamaica? Now this prison is going to need some serious infrastructure work. Serious. So it might be better, also cheaper, to just build a new prison somewhere else. Because this, where it's located, the area has changed and it's now prime real estate. You could put up $1 billion development where this prison is located. So with the aging infrastructure, I mean, it's so bad that sections of this prison had to be closed at one point because the structure was deemed not safe. So guys, let me know what you think. Do you think they should relocate this prison to a new location, or basically build a new prison at another location? Okay, we're going to go through an article that gives more information on the infrastructure at this prison. Tower Street Adult Correctional Center in Kingston, Jamaica, faces significant infrastructure challenges. Originally built in the 19th century, the facility has deteriorated over the years and its aging structure struggles to meet modern correctional standards. Overcrowding is a persistent problem, with inmate numbers often exceeding capacity. This not only strains the building's infrastructure but also impacts sanitation, security, and the overall environment for inmates and staff. Key infrastructure issues include poor plumbing, inadequate ventilation, deteriorating walls, and limited space, which worsen living conditions. The lack of adequate medical facilities within the prison also poses challenges as it limits access to timely health care for inmates. Efforts to rehabilitate the facility have been hampered by limited funding, and calls have grown for a new modern facility to replace the outdated Tower Street Adult Correctional Center. Structure. The Jamaican government has acknowledged these issues, with discussions on prison reform and the need for better infrastructure continuing. However, substantial resources and long-term planning are required to address the deep-rooted challenges at Tower Street and improve conditions for both staff and inmates. Alright, so that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.